Hey everyone, it's Donita Divine, and today I'll be coming to you with another DIY project. Today I'll be showing you how I revamped my IKEA, I think it's called the Hopen dresser. It's an 8 drawer, black and brown color, from this to this. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just primed the cabinets. My goal is to get the mirrors little and put them in the front of the drawers. Change the what are the things called, knobs, and give it a go. So this is, I did 2 coats of prime on the cabinets, and it's tight right here. Me and my bright ideas. So we'll see. We are still working on this area. I'm getting a new light fixture, and that's the new switch for it. I didn't want my shoes to get dusty. I just put the first coat of paint on. It's gonna take at least another, it's just gonna have to dry, because it's a little, maybe I should do another coat of prime. I did too, but that's what it's like without the tape. Yeah, but I'm gonna cover it, so guess it don't really matter. So that's it, hide loss. It's, I'm gonna do that down there. So I'll do that when I come back. Phase 15. Actually, phase 3, I guess. Cool. I've primed the cabinets, I've treated them first, and I have the drawers behind me that's getting ready to get the mirrors installed. They finally came in. I ordered them, paid a little bit more than I wanted to, but I didn't want to rush. I didn't want to wait. So because I didn't want to wait, I paid a little extra, but they took longer anyway. So I could have shopped around for the time it took. It took about a week. It should have took, I'm thinking a couple of days, but it took a week. And I've been kind of just letting them sit here. So my next step is to throw the tape away. No, this tape is going right here on the floor. Who am I kidding? I need to find something to open the tube of glue. And I probably want to put on some gloves because I don't like having this stuff on my fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. So once I find some scissors, I have some specialty scissors, I don't know where they are, I will be right back. Thanks. I got some books on him right now. I don't know. I'm just going to have to make do with what I'm doing. I need to slim this down. So I called my daughter in for backup. Well, actually for some music. You got some music?
I'm watching a YouTube video.
See how she told me? Say hi to my daughter, Dorian. Say hi.
No, I don't want to be in it.
Okay. Well, can you play some music for me? Because I want to dance while I put my mirrors on. You want to put a mirror on for me? What song do I like? Boom. Watch me dance. Watch me dance as I work. Bam, bam, bam. My hands look big.
20 minutes.
You gonna do what for 20 minutes?
Yes.
Show me.
I'm trying to watch YouTube.
She's watching YouTube. I'm trying to be on YouTube. Oh well, back to my mirrors.
I don't even know what song you want.
I just heard a song that I like.
Oh my god.
His name, I think it was, you know what I thought his name was? 21 Flavors. But that's not his name. What's the other guy's name? 21 something.
21 Savage?
Yeah. I was like, where did I get 21 Flavors? Is that Baskin Robbins? Maybe I want ice cream. Okay, so what's the name of, it's a song out now. Does he have a new song? It sounds like him.
I don't know how it goes, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Me neither. I'm going to find that song and get back to you.
Yeah, go find that song.
That looks so good. That looks good. And I'm going to add the knobs to it. And 1, 2,